Hello and welcome to Back to Basics with Professor Chanty Fierce. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you part 5 and the final in my Back to Basics series, where I'm showing you my makeup routine from the foundation up. I've already gone ahead and done my foundation, my contour and conceal, my eyes and my eyebrows. I've also done my blush, bronzer, and highlighter. And today I will be showing you lips. If you're interested in watching those other tutorials first, I will put part 1 through 4 links just at the corner here. I'm going to show you 2 different lip looks today. The first one is a lot easier. It's just going to be using a tube of lipstick. The second one, I'm going to go a little bit more in depth and show you with lip liner, lipstick, and lip gloss. If that sounds like something for you, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the little notification bell so you'll know as soon as my next video comes out. So the lipstick that I'll be using today to show you the one lipstick look is the Maybelline matte lipstick in the color Touch of Spice. And what I always like to do is I like to start from the middle of my upper lip and create a cupid's bow. So to do that, I'll create an X with the lipstick before I go and fill in the rest. What's up guys, Chanty Fierce here. What I meant by an X is that you're going to move in an X-like fashion across your cupid's bow to create that effect. So you can see what that X achieves. It makes it look like the center of my lip comes down a lot more than it does. Then I'll drag it down and finish creating my upper lip.
Chanty Fierce here again. As you can see, I'm just using the outline of my natural lip to guide the lipstick. Then I go in afterwards and make sure that I go over any spots that I missed along my outline. And if I noticed I've gone over the outline onto my skin, I use my finger or a Q-tip just to smooth that edge out.
Once I have my upper lip complete, I'll just go and fill in my bottom lip, and I'll just apply it as if I'm applying a balm first. And then I'll use my upper lip and press it down to create the outer line of my lipstick. Like that. Then I'll take a look and see where I need to fill it in. I'll use the edge of my lipstick as a liner to give it a sharp line. Now sometimes when you use your lips to create the line, the danger of that can be you can get a little extra lipstick on the edge here. You can kind of see I have a bit of a bump there. And to get rid of that, you can use a cotton swab. I like to just use my finger, usually because I'm in the moment and I'm too focused on getting a perfect line to worry about what kind of tool I'm using. Now I've got my lipstick to the level that I like, but if you wanted more intensity from your lipstick, you can always apply it a few more times to make sure the color stands out as much as possible. Now I'm just going to go hop off camera and remove this so that I can show you another way of doing your lipstick.
Surprise scenery change. So I filmed the second half of this video and shocker, ran into some problems, so I ended up having to refilm it. By the time I was able to get back to this, I have since changed up my studio. Let me know what you guys think of the new setup in the comments below. I also have a new microphone now, so you hopefully can hear me a bit more clearly. But without further ado, I'm going to get right into the second part of the Back to Basics lip tutorial. So to show you the second more intricate lip look, I'm going to be using the Morphe Out and About lip kit in nude pink. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you know this is one of my favorite nude looks. And what I like about it is this kit just automatically came with everything I need, which was a lip liner, a lipstick bullet, and a lip gloss that all blend together seamlessly. Now, in order to make this as smooth of a tutorial as possible, I'm going to be walking you guys through the process with a voiceover. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm using the Morphe lip liner and outlining my lip first. Similar to what I did with the lipstick bullet earlier, is I'm going to outline my lips before going in with my lipstick bullet. So starting with that X across the Cupid's bow again, but I had to adjust the position of my camera first. But yes, I start again by creating the X along my Cupid's bow before going along and outlining the rest of my lip. And I don't really have anything else to add here. I just wanted to make sure that I included myself outlining the lips. But I'm just going to say I'm pretty excited about this new microphone that I have. You're going to see me make a really silly face in a second that conveys my excitement. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Then once I have my lip outlined, going in with the lipstick bullet and applying it much like a chapstick. Luckily, because I've gone in with the lip liner and created the outline of my lips already, I don't have to worry about going onto my skin because the lip liner has already set the space for me to fill in. And now finally going in with lip gloss. I think this has to be my favorite step of using the lip kit, because the lip gloss just makes your lips look so plump and they just stand out from your face in a way that they don't when you don't have lipstick or lip gloss on. Some may consider a makeup technique like this a little bit extra, and to save themselves time just use a bullet, and normally I do too. But when I do want a little bit of drama, this is the way I go. And here it is. Now I don't need to hop off camera because the look's already done. This is the final effect of everything that I've been teaching you in all 5 videos from my Back to Basics series. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the new voiceover technique that I was trying. I don't know if I'll necessarily do it all the time, but maybe I'll have more close-ups and voiceovers and things like that if you guys like it. So let me know in the comments below, and if you do, I'll make sure to include it in my future videos. You know, when I'm doing a more everyday look, I don't always put a lipstick on, but when I do, I feel like it adds just that last little bit of drama. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the little notification bell so you'll know as soon as my next video comes out. I'm planning a few more how-to videos right now, like how to apply false lashes, so you will definitely not want to miss out on it. Thanks again for watching, guys, and take it easy.
Thank you for watching, and this has been Lip Basics with Professor Chanty Fierce. I've already gone ahead and done my foundation so that I can show you. Now I've got the lipstick to the level. I'm going to be using the